Hello students, Standard 8 Revision Period. Most IMP બધા જ ક્વેશ્ચન બધા જ MCQ મેં અહીંયા લઈ લીધા છે. યુનિટ 3 વોટ વેર યુ ડુઈંગ? ફર્સ્ટ છે વેન ડીડ they go to the fair? When did they go to the fair? A morning, B afternoon, C evening, D night. તો આન્સર છે C ઇવનિંગ. તો તમે જ્યારે આન્સર લખો ત્યારે આન્સર C ઇવનિંગ, C ઇવનિંગ આ રીતે લખવું. સેકન્ડ છે હાઉ મેની ટેમ્પલ આર ધેર આઉટસાઇડ ધ વિલેજ? A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. તો આન્સર ઇઝ B 2. Where were the children standing? At the toy shop, at the sweet shop, at the cloth shop, at the household item? Answer is A, at the toy shop. What were the children looking at? A toy train, a toy bus, toy car ke toy plane? Answer is D, toy plane. The children blanks. Dance with joy, play with joy, laughed with joy and joy જેવો વાય છે. Joy and clap, dance together. Answer is a C, laughed with joy and clapped. What did they see? They see A magician, B film, merry-go-round and giant wheel કે toy plane? C merry-go-round and giant wheel. 7 number the loudspeaker were playing A film song, B bhajan, C announcement, D dialogue. Answer is A film song. What was the children in giant wheel doing? giant wheel માં રહેલા બાળકો શું કરે છે? શું કરી રહ્યા હતા? Sitting quietly, shouting in excitement, jumping કે crying? B shouting in excitement. 9 નંબરમાં wonderful means hauseful, great, useful કે harmful? Wonderful means B great, B great. There was a blanks at Vadodara, village fair, book fair, cloth fair કે trade fair? Answer is D trade fair. What was the entry fee? 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees કે no entry fee? Answer is D no entry fee. 12 number the girls were answering the question slowly, quickly, angrily ke with a smile? A slowly, B quickly, C angrily, D with a smile? Answer is a D with a smile. Demonstrating means A showing, B asking, A showing, B asking, answering ke talking? Demonstrating means A showing, A showing. Which of the following is not mentioned in the lesson? Washing machine, TV, mixture grinder કે fridge? જે લેસનમાં આપેલું નથી તો આન્સર છે B TV. Which word in the lesson means enjoyed the taste of? Enjoyed the taste of. તો order, savored, went, A order, B savored, C went કે D sat? તો B savored. ત્યાર પછી which of what was the juggler doing? A playing with the 3 ball, B playing with the 5 ball, playing with the 3 apples, playing with the 5 apples? Answer is playing with 5 balls. ત્યાર પછી છે યુનિટ નંબર 4 sun tour. What is solar energy? A solar energy from the sun, energy from the earth, energy from the sky, energy from the water? Energy from the water. The answer is the energy from the sun. આટલું નથી. What is the sun? A planet, B star, C comet, D satellite? Answer is B star. Which of the following statement is true? A. The sun is a planet. Solar means from the soul. Solar means from the soul. The earth and other planet move around the sun. The sun is satellite. કયું સાચું છે? The earth and other planet move around the sun. એ રાઈટ છે C. India's summer is short and hot. A. Short and hot. B. Long and hot. Cool and hot. K. Cool and long. India's summer is B. Long and hot. How do we feel in summer? How do we feel in summer? A. Cool. B. Active. C. Restless. D. Lazy. C. Restless. Harsh means A. Strong. B. Weak. C. Rude. D. Nice. A. Strong. A. Strong. Which word in the paragraph means burning? Strong, harsh, C. Hot, D. Scorching. A. Strong. B. Harsh. C. Hot. D. Scorching. Burning એટલે બળવું, ધજાડતું. તો આન્સર આવશે D. Scorching. Scientists have converted heat into ice, heat into electricity, electricity into heat, કે electricity into ice. તો આન્સર છે B. આન્સર છે B. Heat into electricity. Heat into electricity. Which word in the lesson means produced? Converted, generated, started કે utilized? Answer is B. Generated. What can be a major source of energy in India? A. Sun. B. Water. D. Wind. D. Coal. A. Sun. In Gujarat, experiments have been conducted to tap the water resource, tap the heat from the sun, tap the energy from the petrol, tap the energy from gas. તો આન્સર આવશે B. Tap the heat from the sun. Tap the heat from the sun. Device means A. Sun. B. Energy. C. Machine. D. Battery. Device means C. Machine. What do solar heater do? Heat the sun, protect from the sun rays, collect energy from the sun, collect energy from the electricity. Collect energy from the electricity. Answer is a C. Collect energy from the sun. Which word in the paragraph means made from? Means made from. બનાવવામાં આવ્યું. Converted, noticed, varied કે produced? Converted, noticed, varied કે produced? Answer is D. Produced. Varied means many. B. Few. C. Some. D. None. Answer is varied એટલે many, ઘણા બધા. Illuminated means A. Heated, lighted, cooled કે clean? Illuminated એટલે આન્સર આવશે B. Lighted. Which word in the lesson means new? A. Solar. B. ban. C. Idea. D. Innovative. Answer is D. Innovative. With their innovative idea, scientists have turned blessing into ban, solar energy into ban into blessing, કે ban into solar energy? Ban into blessing. Ban into blessing. Blanks is a source of abundant energy. A. The moon, the sun, the earth ke the ocean. B. The sun. Abundant means penalty, plenty, less, equal કે nil? Abundant એટલે પુષ્કળ ને plenty એટલે પુષ્કળ એટલે A. Which word in the lesson means far away? Abundant, hope, remote के areas? The answer is C, remote. What is the ray of hope? Water for remote areas, water for remote areas, food for remote areas, school for remote area, use of energy, solar energy for remote area. So D, use of solar energy for remote area. Which of the following is not source of energy? Sun, water, wind કે flower? એનર્જીનો સોર્સ નથી તો ફ્લાવર. કન્વર્ટેડ મીન્સ યુઝડ, થ્રો, ચેન્જ ઇન્ટુ કે કલેક્ટેડ ઇન્ટુ? કન્વર્ટેડ એટલે ચેન્જ ઇન્ટુ. બધા વિકલ્પો શાંતિથી જોવા લખવા. અસ્તુ. જય હિન્દ. તમારા ફ્રેન્ડને શેર કરો.